Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a palindrome string program in C. So let us write the preprocessor directives. Hash include in angular brace will write standard input output .h header file, and the next preprocessor directive is hash include in angular brace will write console input output .h. So let us write one more preprocessor directive, hash include, and here I'm going to write string.h because we are using one of the functions of string.h header file. So that's the reason we have to include this header file. Now let us write void main function curly open brace, and here I'm going to declare two array of type characters. So that is s of size 30 comma and one more is r of 30. So s represents string, r represent a reversed string, and put semicolon. CLR scr function which is used to clear the screen. Now we will ask the user to enter the string using printf function. So in a double quotation mark I'm going to write enter the string colon, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. So here I'm going to use the function getS to receive the string. Now we are going to use the built-in function to copy. So here I'm going to write strcpy, that is string copy r comma yes, and put semicolon. So whatever that we have received as string is copied to reversed string. Now we'll use one more built-in function called strrev, that is string reverse. So here we are going to pass only one argument, that is copied argument from s, that is reverse string. So it is going to reverse. So next we are going to check if strcmpi, that is string comparison case insensitive, I represent case insensitive. So it is going to compare letter by letter. Both uppercase and lowercase letters are same when we use strcmpi, and here I'm going to pass the arguments s comma r. If both of these two strings are equal, then it is going to return value 0. If it is true, then it has to print it is a palindrome. In a printf statement, in a double quotation mark, I'm going to write it is a palindrome. So palindrome means what? When we write a string and if we reverse it, and even after reversing, if we can read the same string, then such strings is called palindrome string. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome string. Here I'm going to write else part printf. In a double quotation mark, I'm going to write it is not a palindrome. End the double quotation mark, put semicolon, and here we'll write get ch function curly closing brace for main function. Now let us take examples. Here I'm going to write output. So let me write this is a run 1. So when we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the string. So here I'm going to write enter the string. For example, I'm going to enter madam. Okay. Yes. So next we have received using getS function and we are going to copy it to R. Correct. So here S is madam and R is also madam. strrev, that is reversing the madam. So this last letter M will come here. Next A will come next to this. D will come here. And this A will come here. And this M will come at the end. Again, you can read this as madam only. So hence it is going to return true value. Because here you can see S is what? The entered string. R is what? The reversed string. So both of these two are equal. Hence it is going to return value 0. Hence it is true. If it is true, then it is going to print it is a palindrome. So it is going to print it is a palindrome. Now let us take one more run. So one more time we are going to execute this program. Now once again it is going to ask the user to enter the string. This time I'm going to enter English, for example. Okay, so next string is received through this getS. Next strcpy. So English is stored in string and it is copied to reversed string strrev, and we are going to reverse this. So h will come here, next s will come here, I will come here, H will come here, G goes there, next N will come here, and E goes that side. Okay, so even after reversing you cannot read it as the original string. So here strcmpi s comma r is not equal to 0, means both of these two are not equal, hence else part will get executed. What it is going to print? It is not a palindrome. Here it is going to print it is not a palindrome. Now let us execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in a Turbo C++ integrated development environment to save your time. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success, that indicates there is no syntax error. I'll press enter. Now let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is asking the user to enter the string. For example, I'm going to enter MADAM, madam, and I'll press enter. Here it is printing it is a palindrome. Once again, we are going to run this program by pressing Ctrl F9 to check out whether it is executing the else part properly or not. Here I'm going to enter the string which is not a palindrome. For example, I'm going to enter English and then press enter. So here it is executing the else part, that is it is not a palindrome. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.